Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I'm Advocate Mukund Mahajan, and in today's video, we'll discuss a crucial topic: how to properly respond to a legal notice and avoid costly mistakes. Receiving a legal notice can be stressful, but your reaction matters. Many people ignore it, react emotionally, or unknowingly admit guilt, leading to serious legal consequences. In this video, I'll explain 8 common mistakes people make when responding to a legal notice and guide you on the correct legal approach with references to the latest laws. Stay tuned till the end to understand your legal rights and best course of action. Let's get started. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so that more people can benefit from this legal awareness. Now, let's begin. What is a legal notice? A legal notice is a formal communication that serves as a warning before any legal action is taken. It gives the recipient a chance to resolve the issue before the matter reaches the courts. Legal notices are required in various legal matters. Some key laws that mandate sending legal notices include 1 Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908, Section 80. Applicable for filing lawsuits against the government or public officers. Requirement: before suing the government or a public officer, the plaintiff must send a mandatory 2-month legal notice. This gives the government time to investigate and settle the dispute outside of court. Consequence of ignoring: if ignored, the court may still proceed with the case. However, the defendant loses the chance to resolve the matter amicably before litigation. 2 Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881, Section 138, Check bounce cases. Requirement: if a check is dishonored, the recipient must send a legal notice within 30 days of receiving the dishonor memo from the bank. The check issuer gets 15 days to make the payment or respond. Legal consequence: if the drawer fails to respond or pay, a criminal complaint can be filed. The accused may face up to 2 years of imprisonment or a fine twice the check amount. 3 Consumer Protection Act, 2019, Section 12, Consumer Complaints. Requirement: if a consumer faces defective products, poor services, or unfair trade practices, sending a legal notice before filing a complaint is recommended. Legal consequence: if the seller or service provider does not respond within 30 days, the consumer can file a complaint in the Consumer Forum. 4 Real Estate, Regulation and Development Act, 2016, RERA, Section 21. Requirement: a homebuyer must send a legal notice to the builder before filing a complaint under RERA. Legal consequence: if ignored, the buyer can file a formal complaint under Section 31 of RERA to seek compensation or legal action against the builder. Common mistakes to avoid when responding to a legal notice. Mistake number 1: ignoring the notice. Many people think that ignoring a legal notice will make the problem go away. This is a big mistake. Legal impact: CPC Section 80, ignoring a government-related notice can lead to a direct legal suit. Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 138, if a check bounce notice is ignored, a criminal case can be filed. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, 2016, Sections 8 and 9, ignoring a demand notice from a creditor can result in insolvency proceedings. Correct action: always acknowledge the notice and consult a lawyer to understand your legal options. Mistake number 2: reacting emotionally or threatening the sender. Many people get angry or feel personally attacked and send threatening or abusive responses. Legal impact: Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, Section 503, sending threatening messages is a criminal offense. You could be prosecuted for criminal intimidation. Correct action: always stay calm and professional. Seek legal advice before responding. Mistake number 3: not consulting a lawyer. Some people try to respond on their own, leading to serious mistakes in their reply. Legal importance: Companies Act, 2013, if a company receives a notice regarding strike-off, responding incorrectly may result in dissolution of the company. Commercial Courts Act, 2015, Section 12A. Business disputes require mandatory mediation before going to court. Correct action: always consult a lawyer based on the subject matter. Mistake number 4. Admitting guilt unknowingly. Many people unknowingly accept responsibility in their reply, which can be used against them in court. Legal impact. Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023. Any written admission can be used as evidence. Contract Act, 1872. If you acknowledge a time-barred debt, it becomes legally enforceable again. Correct action: do not accept guilt in writing without legal consultation. Mistake number 5. Believing every notice requires a reply. Some notices require a response, while others don't. Legal understanding. Income Tax Act, 1961, Section 143. 2 notices for tax scrutiny assessment must be replied to. GST Act, 2017, Sections 73 and 74. Show cause notices must be answered within 30 days. Correct action: consult a lawyer to determine if a response is required. Mistake number 6. Missing the deadline for response. Legal consequences. Consumer Protection Act, 2019, Section 13. Businesses must respond to consumer complaints within 30 days. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, 2016, Section 8. Debtors have only 10 days to respond to a demand notice. Correct action: always check statutory deadlines and respond on time. Mistake number 7. Not keeping proof of your response. Legal importance. Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 138. If you respond to a check bounce notice, proof of dispatch is essential. Correct action: send replies via registered post, speed post, or email with legal acknowledgement. Mistake number 8. Overlooking alternative dispute resolution, ADR. Legal consideration. CPC Section 89 encourages mediation instead of court cases. Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, offers an alternative to litigation in business matters. Correct action: explore mediation, arbitration, or conciliation before litigation. Conclusion. Now you know the biggest mistakes to avoid when responding to a legal notice. If you found this information useful, like this video, subscribe to my channel, Legal Information, Law Insights, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.